Sometimes life doesn't change in a big moment. Sometimes it changes in a quiet one, a small pause, a single breath. There was a small town, peaceful and slow. In that little town lived a 17-year-old boy named Arjun. Arjun had dreams that were bigger than the town. He was always in a hurry. If something didn't work on the first try, he would quit. If a drawing took too long, he would tear it apart.
Every day he tore another page. His mother quietly saved those torn papers in a box. She believed each failure was still a step forward. One morning he heard about a big design competition. He tried to draw, but no idea came. Frustrated, he went to a nearby park. There, a gentle old man sat beside him. "You look like someone trying to run faster than life," he said. Arjun listened, confused. "Perfection doesn't come when you chase it," the old man said. For the first time, Arjun didn't argue. He closed his eyes and took a slow breath. In that quiet moment, an image appeared in his mind. His mother, sewing late at night, her tired hands, her soft eyes, her love. Arjun ran home and began drawing slowly, patiently, calmly. For the first time, he didn't rush. His mother entered the room and froze. "It's me," she whispered, tears in her eyes. Arjun smiled softly. "This time, I didn't rush." A week later, Arjun won the first prize. He went to thank the old man, but the bench was empty. Some people appear only to give us a message. From that day, Arjun stopped rushing. Life may move fast, but we don't have to. Be patient. Life is working even when you don't see it.